Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariela, and for today's video we have something new that I always wanted to purchase or look for, and it's from the Beautylish, and they are based in San Francisco. So I was looking at their website, and then I saw that they had the mystery bags for the Jeffree Star from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't own none of his products, so this is gonna be my first time trying out his items, and I can't wait to show you guys what came in the box. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is their little lock box, and I'll show you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I believe it's gonna be $75 plus. For me, it was $81 with 50 cents, and that's because there's sales tax included there. So it was $75, and then I also got a free palette. And the first thing that I see is the Thirsty palette, which I don't, like I said, I don't own none of Jeffree Star's products, so I am very excited. I get to try them. So this is what it looks like. And I'm sure everybody has his products, but let me see. Oh, look at that. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now there is a mirror on there. Look. So pretty, pretty colors. Can't wait to use those yellows and yeah. Okay. Very happy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, that was the free item that came with the purchase. Now, even though it says mystery bag on it, I did not get a bag, but these are all the other goodies that I got. And I'll show you guys. Okay. So first things first. It is an eye gloss powder. So this is what it looks like. Love the packaging. Very cute. And okay. So let's see. Let's open it up. See what it looks like. So here it is, guys. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. So it looks like it has a little topper there. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, I want to use things so bad. I'm going to try them. And I think this is in maybe it will say on the box. Hand spun love. I believe this is what this is. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Next. I believe this is, what is this? It's a lip balm. Hydrating glitz. I love his packaging. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open it up. And oh, I believe it's in Secretly Sweet. That would be the what it's called. So let's open it up and see it. Oh, it says, oh. So here it is. It's like it's a bullet. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at it. So pretty. It does have a little bit of a glitter on there. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay. I'm so gonna love this. Okay, perfect. So this is the lip balm. Item number 3. I know I'm gonna be rambling. And this, what is this? Velour lip. It's a lip scrub. And I can't see. Okay. A candy necklace. Okay. So like I said, you guys, I don't own another Jeffree Star item, so I don't know what their let's open it from the bottom. Okay. So here it is. So pretty. Oh my god. Okay. Let's open it up. Oh, it smells so good. That's the little lip scrub. Yeah. Definitely smells like candy for sure. Okay. Okay, our next product. Okay, I see. Okay, something in the back. Ooh, it's called, what is this? Oh, it's a full pigment lip gloss from Supreme Gloss. Here's the packaging. So pretty. Oh my god. And I believe it's in Beauty Killer. Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, it's the first time I ever. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Look at that packaging and the color. Oh my god. So pretty. Oh my god. Let's see. So there it is. Okay, let's look. So that's the color right there. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay. Let's move it along, shall we? Okay. For my next item is from Jeffree Star. It's the Magic Star Candy Liquid Blush. Oh my god. It is in Delicious Diva. Oh my, sorry. Okay. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna hurry up. Oh my gosh. It's, okay. Oh my god, I don't want to destroy the little packaging. Well, I guess I wasn't that prepared. Yeah. Okay. Oh well. Well, it is fine, so, okay. this is the liquid blush. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. It's so pretty. There's no scent to it, but this is what it looks like. Oh wow. Okay. So there's that, and it's this one here, the little darker shade. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay. Next, it is just a chic whale. It says I gotta go. What are you? It says Velour liquid lipstick. Okay, and I believe it's in I gotta go. So this is what it looks like. So I'm guessing this is all from different collections. I don't know any of their collections, like I said, because I don't own any of them. But let me know in the comment down below what you think. So this is what it looks like. That's the packaging. Oh, it says Shane Dawson. So I'm assuming he did a collab with him. Alright. Alright. So this is what it looks like. It's right here. The little gold one. Very pretty. I don't know if I'll wear that color, but maybe for Halloween. I don't know. Okay, let's see. We got a few. Okay, so I got 2 more items to show you guys, and I'm very excited. So this one would be, I guess, from his skincare line, and it's the Jeffree Star Skin Extreme Hydrating Body Butter. And this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Watch me struggle to get this open. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we got it. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this. It's so pretty. And in the back it has the little jack on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me see. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Oh wow. Okay. And so I'm gonna use this. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Oh my god, you guys. Okay. And last but not least, I'm so excited because I got 2 palettes. Okay, and it is the Cotton Candy Queen palette. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it up, see. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna hurry here. So here it is, you guys. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh, we do have a mirror. So these are the colors. Oh my god, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is all that I got on my mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'll let you guys know all the products, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.